Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. A great pack is essential for life's adventures. After all, everyone needs a way to carry their stuff around. The best general use backpack tested is the Osprey Nebula. This is a comfortable and spacious pack that is at home just about anywhere. School, the gym, airplane travel, and weekend trips. A great low-cost option is the Volar Travel, which carries 30 liters and has sufficient padding. So, if you're ready to find the perfect backpack, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive in. Let's go! Starting with the best everyday commuter, the Osprey Nebula 32. The Osprey Nebula 32 offers a sleek, supportive fit and practical features, seamlessly transitioning from school or work to weekend adventures. This is a jack-of-all-trades pack, versatile enough for students or commuters with its ample storage and pockets, or for travel with its 17-inch TSA-approved clamshell laptop compartment. Osprey is known for packs with great suspension, and the Nebula 32 is no exception. This pack's sturdy frame offers enough structure and padding for all-day comfort. Its water-resistant exterior means it can handle a bit of weather, and it's robust enough to withstand getting tossed around in a school setting or going on outdoor excursions. You can also swap your laptop for a hydration pack via the neck pass-through, making it adaptable for various activities. The Nebula 32's comfort, protection, and versatility make it worth its high price for daily use. However, cost-conscious buyers may opt for cheaper alternatives. Its bulky, versatile design doesn't fit easily under airline seats when loaded and prioritizes durability over a fast, light feel. This is the everyday commuter backpack for most people. The North Face Recon is the versatile everyday pack. The North Face Recon is ideal for travelers, commuters, students, or just anyone seeking a versatile, organized backpack for everyday carry. Its 30-liter capacity fits a 16-inch laptop with smart pockets for office, airport, or library organization. Designed for longer torsos and all-day comfort, outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate features like reflective loops, a sternum whistle, and a water hose port for adventures. Testers raved about its padded back and straps, which provide lasting comfort, and its ability to stand upright on the ground. It stands up anywhere, super handy. The pack's clever organization and larger size make it ideal for bringing everything for both work and play. This feature-rich backpack is a great value for commuting or travel, with excellent ergonomics and organization. It's a third of the price of many premium laptop packs. Great value with excellent features. The Volar Travel is the best low-cost everyday backpack. The Volar Travel is an affordable, tech-savvy day pack ideal for commutes, airport travel, or classroom use. Its versatility suits gym trips, carrying a 15-inch laptop, or even serving as a diaper bag. With 30 liters, cushioned padding, and smart pockets, it's packed with features. This is a backpack built for people on the move, highlighting its transit-friendly design with USB and headphone ports, a Velcro-secured laptop sleeve, lockable zippers, a thick grab handle, and a back strap for suitcase attachment. It stands out for its low cost and featured design. Despite its budget-friendly price, it delivers a transit-ready setup that competes with pricier options. We've tested a lot of backpacks, and this isn't the most durable or comfortable pack, but it has a lot of great features for a low price. It will get less comfortable with heavy loads, and the USB port arrived broken in testing. However, for everything the Volar does right, it's a steal for the price. Perfect budget option with tech features. The Timbuk2 Authority Deluxe is the best laptop pack. The Timbuk2 Authority Deluxe is ideal for office workers and commuters who prioritize laptop protection. It's designed for those carrying tech daily, with a dedicated padded rear pocket for a 17-inch laptop and an additional padded sleeve in the main compartment. Its sleek design and premium build make it a great fit for professionals who value both style and function. The thoughtful organization system and comfort are appreciated. The cushioned back and straps provide excellent support, even when fully loaded, and promote airflow. The water-resistant exterior and waterproof bottom add durability. If you're looking for a great pack for work or your personal item for a plane, The Authority Deluxe is top-notch. However, it's too short on space to be your only pack for a weekend trip, and the exterior pocket could accommodate more than a slim water bottle. Overall, this is a great daily pack for transporting your tech, and it's worth the steeper price tag. The In-Case Icon is the best premium laptop and tech carrier. The In-Case Icon is ideal for tech-savvy professionals, students, or travelers who need a backpack to protect and organize multiple devices. With a 17-liter capacity, it features a laptop pocket, an embedded sleeve for a second laptop, and a separate tablet pocket. Its wide array of auxiliary pockets ensures work essentials stay neatly arranged. The Icon earns top marks for its exceptional organization and protection, offering 3 separate compartments to keep large items orderly. The dedicated laptop pocket, second laptop sleeve, and tablet pocket provide robust device security, while numerous auxiliary pockets accommodate other necessities. The Icon's specialized, compartmentalized design is perfect for tech-focused users, but it's not great for those looking to tote bulky gear around. The central compartment is not super large, and it has a smaller overall capacity. But if you need a backpack tailored for multiple devices and don't mind the structured layout, the Icon is a great investment, perfect for carrying multiple laptops and tablets. The Cotopaxi Alpa 35-liter is the best carry-on travel pack. If you frequently find yourself taking quick trips and don't want to break out the heavy luggage, the Alpa is an amazing travel companion. Love this bag for long weekend trips by car, plane, or train. If you're a savvy packer, you can get away with longer trips. If you travel by plane frequently, there is a padded compartment for your laptop, up to 15 inches, that you can easily access when going through TSA. The clamshell design opens all the way up to reveal mesh compartments that zip closed, allowing you to skip the packing cubes and still stay organized. It's comfortable to carry with a removable padded hip belt. Features a water bottle pocket on the side that can hold a 32-ounce Nalgene. There are also small pockets for keeping little travel accessories organized. Though it's not listed as fully waterproof, it did well in water resistance tests. If you like the idea of quickly darting through an airport with everything you need perched comfortably on your back, no baggage claim required, the Alpa is your bag. The Mouse 25L backpack has extreme tech protection, engineered with aerofoam to protect your tech from drop damage, made for every adventure with 17 separate storage compartments and plenty of mesh pockets. The laptop pocket is designed to securely fit a 16-inch MacBook Pro without a sleeve or a 13-inch MacBook Pro in a mouse sleeve. Water-resistant, crafted from carbonated nylon, PU coating, and water-repellent YKK zippers to protect your things from rain, splashes, and storms. Magnetic security with top access guarded by best-in-class Fidlock technology and lockable, kissing YKK zippers. Serious comfort with adjustable shoulder and sternum straps. The back panel contains molded airflow ridges allowing heat to move down and away from your back. Perfect for extreme tech protection with aerofoam. Alright everyone, those are the best backpacks of 2026. Whether you choose the versatile Osprey Nebula, the value-packed North Face Recon, the budget Volar, the laptop-focused Timbuktu, the tech-safe Mouse, or the travel-ready Cotopaxi, there's a great option for every need. Remember, the best backpack depends on how you use it: school, work, travel, tech, or everyday carry. Drop a comment and tell me which one you're rocking. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear guides. Thanks for watching. See you next time.